Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to create a project for timesheets here at Zoho People. All right, so first up, log into your account. Now go ahead over to Time Tracker. Okay. In here, we have this tab. So what you'll do is just click on Projects. Okay. Click on it, wait for it to load. And then once it loads, as you can see here, I have one sample project right here. Now, if you want to make it your own project, just click on this blue button. Okay. Add. And then type down the project name. For example, sample project 2. The client name, click on the drop down and select the client. Okay. And then the project cost, it's up to you, maybe $1,000 right here. Project head, click on the drop down, select one of your employees or select your own. And then the rate right here. Do take note that this is the rate per hour. Okay, 50. All right. Project manager, click on this icon, select from one of the employees. Okay. Let's say I'm going to go ahead and assign Miss Raya right here. And the project users, again, click on this icon and add. All right. You can go ahead and add in your descriptions and add in departments as well if you want to. Also divisions. If not, just click on submit. All right. As you can see here, it now says record added successfully. You now have a project for your timesheet. So when you go ahead over to timesheet right here, you can go ahead and click on create timesheet, clients, project right here, sample project 2, the job. Just make sure to create your job right here in the jobs tab. Okay. Once done, just hit on next. And after that, you'll be able to make your timesheet and send it for approval. That is it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.